Experiencing a bad vaginal odor can be concerning and often uncomfortable. While it's natural for the vagina to have a mild scent, a noticeable or unpleasant odor can signal an imbalance or underlying issue. Thankfully, there are several simple remedies that can help restore freshness and maintain vaginal health. Let's explore some effective strategies. Understanding vaginal odor before diving into remedies. It's important to understand that various factors can contribute to vaginal odor. Hormonal changes, menstrual cycle phases, diet, and hygiene practices can all play a role. A strong fishy or foul smell may indicate an infection, such as bacterial vaginosis, or a sexually transmitted infection STI. If you notice unusual symptoms like itching, burning, or changes in discharge, consulting a healthcare professional is crucial. Maintain proper hygiene. One of the most effective ways to combat bad vaginal odor is through proper hygiene practices. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Daily washing. Gently wash the external genital area with mild, unscented soap and warm water. Avoid using harsh soaps, douches, or scented products, as they can disrupt the natural pH balance and lead to irritation. Cotton underwear. Choose breathable cotton underwear over synthetic materials. Cotton allows for better airflow, reducing moisture buildup that can contribute to odor. Change regularly. If you are on your period or experience increased discharge, change pads or tampons frequently. Keeping the area clean and dry is essential for preventing odor. Stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet. What you consume can significantly influence your body's smell. Here's how to maintain a healthy diet. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins and can reduce body odor. Balanced diet. Incorporate a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and probiotics. Foods like yogurt and kefir can promote healthy vaginal flora, potentially minimizing unpleasant odors. On the other hand, limit spicy foods, garlic, and onions, as these can affect body odor. Try natural remedies. Natural remedies can also help combat bad vaginal odor. Apple cider vinegar. Known for its antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar can help restore the natural pH balance. Mixing 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drinking it daily may be beneficial. Alternatively, consider adding it to a warm bath for a soothing soak. Tea tree oil. This essential oil has strong antiseptic properties. Dilute a few drops of tea tree oil in a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil, and apply it externally to help combat any potential infections and odor. Baking soda. Known for its deodorizing properties, baking soda can also help neutralize odors. You can add half a cup of baking soda to your bathwater for a refreshing soak. Practice stress management. Stress can impact your hormonal balance, potentially contributing to changes in vaginal odor. Here are some techniques to help manage stress. Exercise. Regular physical activity boosts mood and helps regulate hormones. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. Mindfulness and relaxation. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises into your routine to reduce stress levels and promote overall well-being. Conclusion. Addressing bad vaginal odor involves understanding its causes and implementing simple remedies to maintain vaginal health. By practicing proper hygiene, staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and incorporating natural remedies, you can effectively manage odor and promote freshness. If you have ongoing concerns or experience unusual symptoms, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for tailored advice. Remember, taking care of your body is essential for your overall well-being.